Today we're gonna make crispy Asian salad. So we're gonna use mixed greens that I have here and some Napa cabbage. So we need about 2 cups of this cabbage. So I'm gonna cut this in half. And we're gonna shred this cabbage. Just slicing it nice and thin. That looks like about 2 cups. Let's put this on the side. So now in our bowl here, we're gonna mix our mixed greens and our cabbage. Now on top, we're gonna put shredded carrots. We're gonna do cilantro. And we're gonna do some snap peas. So we're gonna take these, we're gonna kind of cut them on an angle. Gives it a nice crunch too. Mix this up so we can see some of the carrots. I love the colors, of course. Okay, so here's our salad. We're gonna top this with some peanuts. Of course, more crunch. And we're gonna top some crispy chow mein noodles on the top. There we go. And now we're gonna make our dressing. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons rice wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1/4 cup of peanut butter. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. And then we're gonna have to add a little bit of water to this because to loosen up the peanut butter. So I'm gonna add a little there. Do a little whisk. Beautiful. Look at that. It's great consistency. Smells delicious. And I would love this salad with some protein. You could add grilled tuna, grilled chicken, anything, any kind of protein will go delicious with this. Or by itself. We're gonna drizzle that on top. Amazing. This dish is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckus.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.